The President of the Senate, distinguished colleagues, my name is Senator Oyewumi, Osun State. I rise to second the motion that the federal regulatory, several regulatory agencies, right from the local government, where we have Department of Town Planning, to the state level and the federal level, should rise to their responsibility right from the planning stage of approval on the building and construction industry in Nigeria to avoid bad incidences. I so second.
So the amendment has been seconded. Those who are in support of that plan as amended say aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it. So, Clerk of the Senate, please note. Then the other prayer